Hi, and welcome to another Watch Geek video. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Adamascus diver from Wise Timepieces. When Wise initially contacted me, the title of the email was "A Watch You'll Love from Thailand." Visiting their webpage, I saw the specs and their claim they're all hand-assembled and finished with strict quality control while using 904L steel for the case, the same steel Rolex uses for their models. With a boxed sapphire crystal, ceramic bezel insert, and Miyota 9015, it all sounded too good to be true, so I had my doubts about it. When the watch finally arrived, I realized that they were right. I did love it, and I mean everything about it, from the luxurious packaging to the watch itself. The diameter of 41mm with a short lug-to-lug of under 48 made it look perfect on my 6.7-inch wrist, while the incredible lack of thickness made it sit low and look more like a dressy timepiece, which, if you follow my channel, know I love. This is a 200-meter water-resistant watch with a boxed sapphire on top and a sapphire exhibition caseback, and yet it is just 11.7 millimeters thick, while the case itself, if we ignore the top crystal, is just 10, which is incredible to be honest in a world of 13+ millimeter divers, which makes this a refreshment, as the result is a watch that sits low on the wrist, slides easily under a sleeve, and looks a lot more elegant. It was definitely my favorite thing about the watch during the unboxing. With all the specs done right, and all the dimensions done right, my only concern was the finishing, as I have seen many watches that impressed me during the unboxing only to be a major letdown under macro. So I couldn't help but start recording the macro shots literally a day after the unboxing, even before I actually wore the watch. Macro Lens was supposed to test the claim of hand-assembled with high QC, and to my joy, that claim, just as the one of me loving the watch, was true. This is one of the best finished and cleanest microbrand watches I have ever recorded. Everything is crisp and clear, the lume application is pretty much perfect, and foreign materials are found at a minimum. I have recorded Rolex watches with more dust than this. All of these great things about this watch wouldn't mean a thing if it was ugly. But the case shape, the dial, markers, and original hands, as well as the proportions, make it one of the best looking watches I handled this year. Even in the unboxing video, I couldn't stop staring at the thing, and once I started wearing it outside and saw the way it shimmers and plays with the light, I really fell in love with it. The best thing about it is the price. At just under $600, it is well priced, and considering the level of finishing and attention to detail, it starts looking like a bargain. I might be a bit biased as I'm still in the honeymoon phase with this, but I haven't been this impressed with a microbrand watch for a long time, with only Zelos coming to mind quality-wise. In fact, next to my Zelos Hammerhead, this might be the second microbrand I reviewed that I wish to add to my collection. Zelos as a brutish tool diver, and this as a fancy dressy one. Since I always find something to complain about on pretty much every watch I review, there are two things I would change. The first one is the lack of a bracelet option, which I'm told is in the making, so it will be solved soon. If they make it properly, with solid links and possibly on-the-fly adjustment, it will make for a much better overall package. The second one is the fully polished case. Yes, the polishing is pretty much perfect, with clear and crisp transitions and flawless surfaces, but it will show scratches and is overall pretty blingy. I wish they made a combination of brushed surfaces on the top of the lugs and sides of the case and leave the rest polished. It would have accentuated all the facets and surfaces even more, while making the main areas more resistant to scratches. These changes would make it perfect for my taste, but even like this, I really like this thing. just in case you didn't notice so far. Anyways, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed and found it useful. If you did, please like and subscribe, and until the next video, bye.